Welcome to Florida.
Gonna put that boat.
Here and there. Say, I will eat her anywhere.
In today's video, I will be showing you my family vacation in 2021 at the Grove Resort and Spa in Orlando, Florida. This was our second time staying at the Grove Resort. We stayed in the 3-bedroom, 2-bath resort view room. As you walk in the door to your right, you will have a full-size kitchen, a full-size refrigerator. It comes with pots, pans, and utensils. Also a dishwasher. It has a laundry room. For those days where you go to the beach and your little ones have sand, you can easily wash your clothes. Or you could be like me. I like to wash everything, have everything clean before I leave. This is the kids' bathroom. The other bathroom is in the master bedroom. That's daughter. This is her room. And then this is the girls' room. Super nice.
What's this?
I don't know. Ceiling fan. Our living room for the next couple of days. We got a balcony. Okay, y'all, I was just too excited about this resort. This is the master bedroom. It has a king size bed, 2 nightstands, a dresser, a TV, and a chair. Y'all, I'm loving it. This is nice. And big and spacious. And this is our bedroom. Try to come some more lights. Huh? Yeah, baby. Okay, I gotta see what he wanted. And this is our shower and tub. And then there's the toilet, of course. And then the closet. Yep, we loving this. So we didn't go to Florida days. We are at the Grove Resort. And yeah, we're glad we chose this one. Now we finna figure out what we gonna eat and do. See y'all later. You said take pictures. Oh, okay. Our room is right there. I'm coming. You ain't gonna fall. You okay, Mara? What's she doing? Trying to warm up. What y'all wanna do? Go up here with Daddy. At night, the property is so beautiful. This is the water park side. The girls stayed until they closed. I believe they closed about 8. And then they went over to the other side where the other pools are. I believe those pools closed at 10. The only issue that we had was we kept getting lost trying to find our way back to our room. But as the days went on, we got it down pat. But overall, everything was nice. It was just as we expected from the first time.
mirror. But it feels better than being out there. And it's fun. Come on. You coming? Come on. You'll feel better. Come on. Go slow. Who? Oh, now you can. You ain't going to hold your breath. He a dolphin. Who is that? The girl? You good, Meryl? Yeah. Okay, baby. You think it's a 16 footer?
Get on, sir.
Oh, okay.
Bad 16 boogie.
I'm gonna make them buy. Yep.
You know, it's not too big. You ain't looking at it.
I did see it. I said okay. You say you're gonna buy a boat. Okay. I'm listening. I'm just trying to see where you're gonna put that boat. They're gonna rent a boat.
If you have Disney questions, I can help you with those. I would go there.
Got the little family. Oh, look at the little baby. Hey, buddy. That's too cute. The lake area. Huh? You count. Who that was? Oh, where Micah? Ah, there you go.
Well, I'm like, what the heck?
Thank you, sweetie. I like.
Here's some important information for your visit. In accordance with CDC guidelines, we ask that all guests and team members comply with the following. Everyone is required to wear a face covering during their visit.
You want to go where, baby? The who? The Dr. Swift. Yeah, we got to go over there.
It's the most wonderful zoo on the face of the earth. Say, I like green eggs and ham.
What you doing? Oh, no, you can go. Sorry. I'm just recording. Hold on, dude.